off the fat off the meat, and we're going to add our remaining onions. As well as a little more garlic. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. How's you truly doing? Terrific. So guys, today we have some nice cut country ribs. Now these were super long, so your girl had to divide them because I am only feeding a family of 3. Okay, so yeah, I put I divided them, okay, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna stir these up, or as you could call it, you know, we're gonna put a brownness on them. And I just wanted to bring that part to you because this is gonna be a crock pot slow cooker meal. But you first want to brown them. Now our meat has been washed, okay, and I just add some original smoky Kingford seasoning. And if you haven't tried Kingford, please go over and try it. And we also have some original no salt, okay, all-purpose seasoning. So yeah, your girl is gonna put this on here, and we're gonna actually let this do its thing. And we have a little of my house seasoning that's going to go on here. Now I know some of you might say, oh, that's a lot of seasoning. No, it's not. Because my seasoning as well does not pertain salt. Okay, and we're going to go on and mix that on up. You guys, how's everybody doing? Because your girl, she wasn't feeling today's video. I was very, very emotional. And for some of you guys that don't know, I just lost my sister and my father, and yeah, this was one of my sister's favorite meals, so I was very emotional doing this, to start this process. So just hold on to your family. That's all I can say, you guys. I know everything is in God's will. I get that. And so yeah, we're going to set this aside right quick, and we're going to turn on our eye to a medium high. Why? Because I want to get this good and hot, because I just want to braise it, as they call it. And we're going to use us a little oil, just a little. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this right on in here, you guys. I have my slow cooker right here warming up because, yeah, this is a slow cooker meal for me today to feed my family. And you can try this recipe yourself. I guarantee you will enjoy it because it's no hassle in the kitchen. It's no hassle. And if you're not used to Kingford seasoning, go over and get you some. You guys, you must try it. Okay, so we got our skillet right where we want it. And we're just going to add our meat right in there. Because all we're trying to do is give it a brownish. We're not trying to cook it right on up. No, we're not. I think that's enough. But I do have this one piece. So yeah, you guys, if you view me for the first time, thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, come join your girl. So we're just gonna get it to turn. Now I know most people just put their meat into the slow cooker, but I like to give mine a little brownness because I want that taste. And when I finish with it, I want it to taste just as if I put it on the grill. You say, well, how are you gonna do that? Watch this video and you will see. You guys, look at that brownness on there. And like I say, we're gonna put it over in the slow cooker. I always pre-warm my slow cooker. And I'm gonna put me some olive oil over in the slow cooker because to me it helps keep it clean, and then it also, I don't know, it just does something to the food to make it have that goodness. Okay, we were looking for that goodness in this meal. We're going to turn this one more time. Because like I said, we just want that brownish. Oh, look at that brownish. I'm going to take that one out of there. I'm going to put this one right on over here. And we're going to put that just like that, because it's not going to hurt anything. Because we're going to get that goodness out the bottom of this pan as well, you guys. Look at all of this deliciousness. You guys, I would like for you guys to feel like you're at home when you're cooking with me. So if it's any ideas or something that you prefer me to cook, just leave it in the comments below. Your girl got you. Your girl got you. Okay? So we're not going to do anything else besides brownness, and I'll be back once it's done to carry you to the next step. You guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to add you into this. You guys, I put just a tad water because I want to get all the goodness from the bottom of this pan, because it's going over in the slow cooker. So you want to add just a little water because you want this brownness, this pretty much gravy like sauce, whatever you want to call it. But this is going in the bottom of the crock pot, or one would call it slow cook. Okay, so now we're at the slow cooker, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the goodness into the bottom. Let me get all that flavor out of there. I'm sorry if my skillet is in your way, but we want to add that. Our next step is we're going to add our meat that we put a brownness on, just like so. And I'm going to add a layer of onions. And I'm going to add some minced garlic. As soon as I get in there we go. Just one good dab is good enough. And a little smokehouse, liquid smoke. Get that on in there. And here we go with our second layer of meat. Well, I should put that real big one down at the bottom. Because the bottom is going to cook more, you guys. I'm going to add the liquid that came off our meat. Yes, we're going to add our little piece of fat trimming. You said, now why would you add the fat trimming? Because it's going to give it flavor. I just didn't want it attached to the meat because I did get some of that off, that fat off the meat. And we're going to add our remaining onions. As well as a little more garlic. We're going to let that do its thing. We're going to add us some open pit barbecue sauce because that's what we're making. You guys, out of this is we're going to make us some good old delicious barbecue ribs. And that's why you don't really want to add anything else. So we'll see you when this delicious pot of country ribs, short ribs, yes, spare ribs, get done. Our pot is definitely on high, so you want to keep that in mind when cooking this simple, delicious meat. And it's boneless. So yeah, I guarantee you, you will enjoy this recipe. All you have to do is give it a try. So guys, we are back. Oh my heavens. You guys, take a good look at this. Look at this. It's just bubbling. So guys, we are back. Take a good look at this. Oh my heavens. Now this is what you call delicious. You see that breakage? Gotta look at that. Oh my goodness. They are good and tender. You guys, it is really. Now that's that big piece we saw. You guys. So yeah. This is all you have to do to get some delicious spare ribs, country style spare ribs. And yeah, I'm gonna put some rice with this. We got a little piece right here. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here just to show you guys how tender that is. As you guys can see. So yeah, that is so tender, and delicious. If you haven't tried this recipe, please try it. Go tell a friend. And yeah, your girl is over here doing different things. I enjoy this meal. This pot is very hot. But if you're not part of the fam, hit that subscribe. Come on in. Join your girl. And I would love to meet you. So leave a comment below. Help me get in a new direction with YouTube. You guys, I enjoyed your company. And I'll see you on the next video. So, meantime, pull out your crock pots. Do a dump and go. Also, slow cook your meal. It's too hot to be in the kitchen, right? So, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.